Alright guys, I think we are back to the restoration of this Grundig shortwave radio. So I'll give you a little update what happened last time. So last time I had busted while trying to solder. Let me point you with something. When I was trying to solder those two right here, I accidentally touched my soldering iron to this string, or string that it was used to be here, and I broke it. So it immediately melted, and obviously all this thing got busted. So I was attempting to fix it for a while using different strings, and I failed until I went and purchased this. It's a dial cord, 0.6 millimeters. I think it's a little bit thicker than the original one, but a little bit. Probably the original one is 0.5. But I got this from this guy on eBay. This is from Australia. He sent me some material like Historical Society, Radio Society of Australia. Pretty cool. Anyways, I got 10 meters of it, so if I ever gonna bust anything, I gonna use it. So that's good to have around. And we have our dial thingy fixed. Took me quite a bit of fiddling. Also, in order to prevent these shenanigans with the stupid soldering stupid light here, because this is actually for light, so we decided to install a 2-pin, well, it's actually 3-pin, but I yanked the center one, a connector. So now this connector is for the light, and this connector is for the generator motor. Okay, so let me continue putting it together. Now I have to fix the dial here and little dial pointer. Okay, my friends, this Grundig story takes so much time, but take a look at this. So, finally I purchased the speaker, brand new speaker. Turned out to be, I could not find 67mm diameter speaker, and I had to buy 56 ones. Okay, so because I couldn't really properly fit it in here, I decided to MacGyver, manufacture 3D printable a adapter. So what I've done, I 3D printed the adapter, which actually goes over this speaker, snug, and actually use some glue and glue the speaker to this adapter. And now it fits nicely in here, just like original one. So before we actually start putting this thing together, I would like to try this thing working. I probably don't need this with the speaker. Okay, let me figure out where's what. I think these two are speaker wires, I think, aren't they? Yeah, it's the only... Alright, my friends, so what I've done here, before we actually put this all together, I decided to test it out. So I have soldered the speaker wires to the speaker, and now I have my power supply set to 4.5 volts, and let's see. Yes, it's working. Obviously reception is not so good because antenna is not connected yet, especially for FM. This is needed, but yeah, it's clearly working. Okay, and sounds actually okay, not too quiet, not too loud. So what you're gonna do next is actually deal with this dial. So this dial has to be fixed, has to be placed right here. So obviously it picked up a lot of cat hair, which is annoying as hell. Yeah, and obviously I don't want to glue it. I'm gonna be using this double-sided tape I'm using for fixing cell phone screens, so like used to, because now it's probably not applicable. Phones are too advanced for all this. Okay, so we have to use like a UV curable resin for that. Okay, just gonna place one right here, cut it to size, and probably on the sides I'm gonna be here, and one more, a small one, oops, and right here. Okay, Now we get something sharp if I find it. There's my little cutter. Okay, well, I can use this. Not cooperating. That's better. And now we can place the dial back where it belongs. So there is a little holes to align, which is very smart. Okay, so that's gonna be it. But what's missing here? This is missing. I kind of forgot that I have to glue it in somehow. Now gonna be interesting experience to figure out where exactly it has to be. Let me think about it. So my idea is get it to the very end, like this. It doesn't move anymore, right? So that means it's very end, like here. Okay, just gonna unplug it and shift it manually all the way to the very end of the scale, like this. That's my idea. I don't remember, my logic is flawed, but let me fix it here. Just push the wire through this maze. Hope it's not gonna break it or rip it or something like that. I will not survive another endeavor. Okay, let's rotate it to another side. I don't even have to glue it here because it's so tight, just unless someone's gonna catch the arrow or pointer. Yeah, it's a physical stop. Okay, it actually hits this pulley, so I guess that's pretty much end of it. Well, actually it is possible to break it off if someone would keep cranking it. Yeah, but I think it's good enough. Okay, so this is done. So I think from now on we can start assembling everything in the case. Okay, so we will start assembling stuff back into the case. I honestly don't remember the order how it's supposed to go, but I think it's gonna be like this. Why it's not going in? No, only like this because of the potentiometers. Huh. Not sure what's this hitting. Oh, okay, here we are. It was just catching that, actually the dial face. Okay, now I have to screw all these jaws in place. The speaker goes in here, just like this. It's gonna catch. Oh yeah, so yeah, gonna be nicely situated right in here, like that, already soldered. So you're gonna use a little glob of the hot glue, maybe like on this side a little bit and on this side a little bit, and that's it, because over here there is a catch, it's gonna hold it. Okay, so other things and wait, before I screw all this jazz in, I have to put this. This is very important. So I think I rushed a little bit. So because this thing is actually has to be screwed from this side. Yeps. And this is gonna drive this switch. Yep. Okay. Okay, that's in. The only thing that's gonna be interesting experience to match it up. Okay, I think we will figure this out. Okay, so switch is in the let's say rightmost position. Okay, that's in. Now we have to match it up, so we have to like, oops, I think we are good. Let's just press on it and see how it switches. Yep. Perfect. Okay, that is done. Now we have to fix everything in place. For that we have to use probably a bunch of screws, which I don't remember which are they, because there is a lot of screws right in here. I wish I remember where is this coming from. Okay, I'll figure this out. I think this is, oh, this is from here. Okay, this goes together. Good I have this video recorded, otherwise that's gonna be challenge, a little bit of a challenge. Want also to make sure that I'm not using screw holes which are, oh yeah, that's the one which broke off. Have to deal with that one. I forgot actually completely about it. And there are two more. Okay, that's good. I think we're good. So 1, 2. There are gonna be 3. And probably 4. Alright. Okay, so we have this all I fixed it, so this board is now pretty sturdy. What I don't like, just noticed something here. Look at these wires, they whipped wobbly. So this is the contact I actually soldered myself, and this one as well. So I forgot, what is this for? This is for rectifier, and this, oh, this is for the lights. Okay, lights goes here. And I think rectifier goes here because there is a whole bunch of diodes. Not rectifier, I'm talking about the generator thingy. So yeah, here is it goes here. So this is for light. So I believe in future I can upgrade it with something better, but for now I think it's gonna be just like this. At least it preserves the authenticity. So this wire is very easy to break off. So I'm probably gonna do some, you know, hot gluing as well, just to make sure this is not just like gonna lose, because this moving a lot and I'm already afraid it's gonna be yeah, I'll probably do it now, and at the same time I'm gonna fix this one. Okay, so our hot glue is actually even flowing here, so we're gonna first of all apply a little bit to the speaker. The reason sometimes, okay, I'm using it sometimes just because it's then later, I believe easy to remove, just like almost just like this. Yeah, messy but effective. I think it's good enough. Alright, so let's add here a little bit. Oh my god, the thing is everywhere. I hate it actually. I said I like it, forget it, I hate it. Okay. Gee. Hate it. Yeah, this hot glue stuff. Just go away. It's everywhere now. Okay, hope it's gonna be just like that. Alright. I have another blob just right here. Remove this blob. Cool. All right, so this is all that where it's supposed to be. So now we have to oops. Yeah, this thing you grab it and it's like swings on you. This is supposed to be somewhere here, right? Something like this. And I have to remember how it's supposed to be placed here somewhere, like hello? Yes. All right. This is how it's supposed to be, and this little thingy goes, I think. It's not the best pliers, like I think somewhere here. Okay, need something stronger. Let's try something like this. Yes. Doesn't be that easy, looks like. I thought it would be easy. Okay, before I actually do it, let me understand how this... Yeah, it should just slide in. Jeez, like, it's such a big problem. I knew that's not gonna be easy, but to what extent I didn't realize. Oh, it's not cooperating. Okay, it's cooperating. No. Here we are. Okay. Now this little connector designed to go in here. And this little connector designed to go in here. Okay, so that's extra. That's my addition. Wait, where this came from? Hope I didn't forget anything in front. Would be kind of hilarious. That would be hilarious. Where that's supposed to be? Okay, so I fixed the switch. Now switch is okay. That was I was fiddling too much with it. Now this has to be fixed in place. I hope these screws are from here because I don't remember. Still don't remember where these LEDs came from. Absolutely do not remember, and I don't see any opening. So this is for antenna. Oh, here, this LED is from here. Good, that's good. So this is for antenna. I can remember that for sure. This little tiny LED gonna be somewhere in this area. This guy, maybe I just don't care about it. Let me put it out, take it out. Wow, this crazy screw, look at this, it was pretty big. It was how this is broke off, I have no idea. Probably rusted off, that's the only explanation. Okay, so next we're gonna put those potentiometers for volume. Volume gonna be easy, I think. Alright, volume is easy. So this guy, on the other hand, is kind of finicky because, oh my god, cat hair is... Oh, this cat hair. It's horrible. It's everywhere. This is supposed to go somewhere, somehow in here, just for the precise movement, and then... I don't know, is this from here? No, I don't remember where this came from. I just assumed this little tiny screw is that. It's from here. Alright, I figured out. This tiny screw is actually from here, and this goes over top, just like that. That's it. That's how it's supposed to be. And funny thing is, I don't even have to disassemble all this. I had to just pull it. That's, you know, pull strong enough and pull it out of here. Oh, it's a bit dirty. That shmoo kind of enter everywhere. Okay, so look, now it's all good. So faster, slower tune them. So this is all working. Good. Finally we are moving. I'm just curious to see if I can power this guy up using the dynamo. Okay, let's see. I'm curious. FM. It works! I'm just curious, what if I put some kind of beefy capacitor right here? Need to think about it. You can modify this guy. I wish I can find a service manual. And to see the schematic. I can trace it, just don't want to spend my time on that. And in DC circuit here to put a dynamo, I'm talking about some kind of super capacitor, and that's gonna be solved. So you just crank, and then you just listen to it, and this thing consumes like, I don't know, nothing almost. But anyways, this is project for other day. Let me first, you know, finish it up because it's taking so much time. Okay. Oh, we have two of these. Cool. Okay, what next? Okay, next gonna be probably what we have, antenna and LED. So antenna goes here. LED, oh my, something like that. LED goes in here, which is actually really good to have, as it's gonna be showing that this thing is powered. Okay. Antenna. Oh, antenna we have to first. This is stupid. Okay, we have some progress with antenna. Antenna apparently has to be screwed right here with this chamfered screw, and then this antenna has to be soldered right in here, which is kind of stupid. But I wish they would come up with some kind of, again, connector, or at least a, you know, kind of other better way of doing this. So now this guy is supposed to go in here without any kind of, it's kind of weird, it doesn't have any screw, it just sits there. So, and then power supply. Okay, now it's gonna be, I'm gonna use my lens just to prop it up. Alright. Okay, now we're gonna take a soldering iron here and solder positive lead of the battery. Yes. Oh wow, okay, I need to deal with this first. Looks like it's in bad condition. That was a bad idea. And this one is like super short. What, I'm just gonna replace them. Okay, so what I've done here, I have replaced wires, and now this is the most annoying part, is actually solder this. Oh yeah, it's holding. Okay, that's good. I don't have to use my lens. So now I have to solder this in here. Oh yeah. Okay, yeah, it's kind of cheesy job. I don't think it's my best soldering job here, but anyways. Okay, now just okay, let's try to assemble it. What's going on? Okay, have not to forget the leather strap. It's a super important part of this authentic radio experience, of course. Whew, it took me some time to put it together, actually. Alright, so this is our whatchamacallit, battery, which we're gonna deal with this later. Okay, so we kind of put it together, so let me actually crank it up and see how it works, if it works. I think volume is too high. Yeah, this is kind of interesting experience because
Smartphone. Read a wonderful story where you had.
Okay, well, it sort of works. It sort of works. Alright, so it works. Antenna is here. Now just screw everything back in. Don't forget to put a strap. The strap is supposed to go right in here. Oh, I see now where the broken thingy. It's from here. I think I broke it. Okay, here we are. So now we are putting this thing together. It seems to be coming along just fine. Because I'm missing the one screw, I couldn't find anything appropriate. I didn't look good enough, I guess. But so far, I'm gonna just put screws. Don't remember where I put some screws already. Sure. Okay, it's really hard to see. Okay, looks like this one is missing for sure. This one is missing for sure. Actually, I do have 5. I'm missing one more somewhere. Oh yeah, no, I'm not gonna put screw here. No, because there is more screw. There is one here. No, it's already populated, I think. Yes, this one is already populated. This is not populated. This is not populated. So I'm gonna screw everything and we're gonna give it a shot. So, and one very important touch, we need to place this one. This is the reason I didn't put screw here, because in case I wanted to open, you know, to do any tweaking and stuff, I rather keep this free of screws. So yeah, it's no big deal. I think center one is no big deal. So again, I'm gonna use my double-sided tape. Couldn't come up with any better idea. I think this is good, and I'm gonna apply this here. So here is the last touch in our restoration. Applying sticker back. And by the way, it's made in China, and obviously we totally see the quality of manufacturing. It desired to be, it still desired to be better. Yeah, it's just, okay, let's remove all this garbage. Okay, so we have it. So let's plop some batteries in here and give it a try. Okay, let's do. Whoa.
Ouais, de ce que je comprends. Je vais le faire, mais je vous rapporterai. Ben oui, peut-être que ce sera à côté d'un jeu de... Non, mais c'est quand même drôle.
Well, here's some French-Canadian radio station.
Puis juste en dessous, il y a des
Rouge FM?
de bière 0%.
Maybe.
Ourselves. This is the type of abuse that goes unnoticed and is so
Yeah, this is probably
widespread.
CBC.
These
Yeah, it
cases
works.
of
Let's go AM. Yeah, probably here in the basement with all the lights. There is something on AM. Anyways, it's a bit annoying, right? It's a bit annoying. Alright, so I don't know, guys. I think we have a success. We have... You see? Okay, let me power it up. Ah, it's going! It's amazing! That's amazing. Anyways, I'm definitely gonna have a part 2 of the video where I try to MacGyver something for here, because we have this connector, and this connector was actually connecting the, as you saw in the beginning of the video, the battery, which obviously dead by now. So this battery can be replaced by either supercapacitor or lithium-ion battery. So I'm thinking, or a LiPo battery, I meant to say. So yeah, that's what I'm thinking. But that's gonna be project number 2. We finally finish this guy, and it's actually finally working nice and clean. And we even have flashlight. Very dinky, but we have flashlight. Alright guys, thank you for watching, see you next time. I hope you like this sort of videos which take forever to actually finish, and obviously they are long. I hope you appreciate my efforts. Please like and subscribe, comment. Thank you for watching and see you next time.